In this video, we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on a taper fade. Subscribe to my channel. Now we are using the trimmer on our first guidelines. We head over to the back. We're making sure that the hair is quite clean while we head over to the other side. Gently. After that, we take our clipper open level to create our first guideline. After making sure it's okay, we take it down to clear the line. Then we take our 3.5 guard level close, going towards the upside directions while looking closely and watching our hair fading up. Now I take the one guard also going up. For those of you following me, we know that we have a standard rules on giving a taper fade cut to a client. After we are done with that and brushing the hair, we head over to the back, open level as usual, our first guideline. We close the clipper halfway level to take out the line on our first level. And don't forget, as you are fading your hair, always remember to brush your hair. That is a key foundation of fading hair. After we make sure it's quite okay, we take our 1.4 open level guard. We going towards the upside, as you can see, gently. After that, the two guard, we go towards the upside, fading it gently, and we wait forward for the results. After that, we take our one guard, going towards the upside, making sure that the hair is aligned. After that, we cross check again and making sure that the fading up is going better, as you can see in the video. After that, we head over to our other side, our first guideline. After we are done, we cover our 3.5 towards the upside. Then on the lower level, our one guard towards the upside also. Then on open level, one guard, cross checking the fade up. After that, we head up and lining my client's hair. At first, we start at the back. After we are done with the back, we head over to the other side, gently using my lining substance to shape the hair. Let's watch on the outcome, guys. After we are done the fade up, we head over to the back at the other side and making sure we are giving him a crispy hairline at the back. After that, we head over to the other side, taking our curve gently. After that, we proceeded on enhancing the hair with my hair black dye before we go over to the fiber. After we are done with the dye up, then we head over to the fiber on enhancing the hair, as you can see, making sure that the enhancements look good and nice. After we are done with the enhancements, you can take a brush to make the enhancement look nice. After that, we head over by shaping the hair with our blade, making the hairline look more crisp. Using the blades gently on our client. Now look at the outcome, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you are not, for more content like this. See you guys in the next video.